Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and I have partnered with Mielle Organics to bring you this green goddess look. They just launched a brand new collection that consists of 5 products. It is their Rosemary Mint Collection, and I had already been using the hair and scalp oil for a good little minute. It works amazingly. And in addition to that, they added a shampoo, a hair mask, a cream styler, and an edge gel. So I used all 5 of those products on my hair today to get this look. This line is infused with biotin and promotes hair growth, so I decided to go more along the protective style way, using these extensions and keeping my hair braided under it. I am going to show you guys exactly how I got the look from start to finish, so let's get it. Everybody knows that I love a cleansed scalp, so I was excited to try the Rosemary Mint shampoo, which left my hair feeling soft and moisturized, also clean. Because my hair is colored, it's best that I deep condition weekly, so I use this hair mask all over. I did let it sit in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I thoroughly rinsed it out, and you can tell I was excited for bouncy hair. I grabbed my favorite leave-in conditioner from Mielle Organics from the pomegranate and honey line, and then I decided to move into the rosemary scalp oil to give my hair a nice massage. You can also use this oil on your ends. It's great for split ends. Now we're actually going to part straight down the middle of my head. And take your time on this. It doesn't have to be super neat. It would be nice if it were, just in case it shows at the end. It really depends on the density of your hair. So because my hair is super thick, it doesn't show as much. After detangling the section, I applied the Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream throughout that entire section of hair. I did pull out a very small section and using some of the edge gel right on my edges, which is like a soft hold. It's moisturizing and it also promotes hair growth. I smoothed that in and began to cornrow my hair all of the way back. If you notice, I will kind of detangle as I'm going through, just to make sure that the braid is smooth and neat, especially because I'm styling wet hair. Braid all the way down to the end and then apply the Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream to the section that was left out, and use your fingers to define the curls in that area. Now with the edge gel, we're going to go in and smooth out our edges and repeat the same cornrow on the other side so that we have 2 equal braids. Now we're just going to pin these braids together in the back. And using that braiding hair, we created 2 braids that are going to complete our goddess braid. So with the first braid, we're just going to kind of position it to see how we want it to lay, and then we're going to begin to pin it. Make sure that you actually pin the hair to the braid so that it's not tugging on your edges and that it is truly a protective style. The second braid is going to be pinned to the back, and just ensure that your braid has been completely covered up. Now with the edge gel, it is time to just define the rest of the style. So I'm creating some baby hairs in the front and working with the pieces that are hanging out with my edge brush. Now let's take a moment to transform into a goddess. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this goddess tutorial. Make sure that you check the links in the description bar below, because I will be leaving the entire Mielle Organic Rosemary Mint Collection down below along with the links. So check that out. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.